afternoon to my dear children. Today, the lesson economic subject. The topic is money saving investment. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. நம்ம ஒரு பொருளை செய்யும்போது நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணி க்ரியேட்டிவாக பண்ணும்போது அதிலிருந்து பெறப்படுகிற அறிவு நம்மளை கிரேட்டாக கொண்டு வரும். Who said this? Ex-President APJ Abdul Kalam. அறிவே ஆற்றல். So, now the first unit, economic. Unit 1, topic is money savings and investments. Money is very important to day-to-day life. It is various form were used, and money is fundamental discovery. It is easy to day-to-day transaction. It is value goods, services, and has allowed to store wealth, trade, and in future. Now, money is payment for goods. Say this, Robertson. Robertson says money is a payment for goods. And evaluation, the money that is derived from Roman word moneta juna. It is a name of Roman goddess. Roman Empire, they introduced the word moneta juna. Now, this Indian rupee derived from Sanskrit word rupiah. The rupiah is a Sanskrit word which means silver coin. And today we use paper money and coins also. This is paper money, then coins today use. And money before, they invented before 1,000 years to reach this stage. Now, next, the side getting barter system. What is meant by? It means exchanging the goods from goods without use of money in the primitive stage. If you give the goods to goods, example, during the time now, working days, you share with your friends, you give the chocolate, your friend gives us biscuit. The goods to goods change. It is called barter system. It is an old method. Next, recent forms of money. Commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money, and near money. The commodity money changed into metallic money. Example, gold, silver, etc. The paper money also change. Credit money, what is that? Credit money and near money. The paper money is convenient well as dangerous. If you take money, it is not safe, isn't it? So it was changed to gold and silver. Credit money. Bank money, that is given to check or cash. That function is called credit money. Next one, near money. What is near money? The money is given to bill or bond, savings certificate, etc. This is called near money. Next one, another form, recent forms of money. Plastic money, you know, that is the ATM card and credit card and debit card, that used for that recent form of money. E-money is electronic money in banking. Computer system, how to use the computer system? Transaction through electronic system. The money used for electronic way in banking. Electronic money is banking computer system. A transaction through electronic system, that is called e-money. Next, then online banking. The internet banking, that is used for electronic payment. And e-banking is called National Electronic Funds Transfer. Then NEFT. It is called e-banking. Next one, value of money. The purchasing power of money over the goods and services. If you know, if you go to purchasing, the power of the goods and services based on value of money. Dear children, you know that is a day-to-day life. The gold is great value. You compare to biscuit, isn't it? What is that item? Biscuit, chocolate, etc. But the gold is a great value. And the value of money is divided into two parts. Number one, internal value of money, external value of money. The purchasing power of money over foreign countries. If you purchase the goods and services in foreign country, you know your relations in abroad. If you brought new goods, that is the value of the money is in outside. That is called external value of money. Functions of money. It is divided into two. One is primary function. Number two, secondary function. The primary function is medium of exchange. And number two, measure of value. Already told, the value is high level. If we compare to gold is the value high level. That is the measure of value is the second type. Then secondary. What are the secondary functions of money? Secondary functions of money. Number one, standard payment. Standard payment. Number two, store value. If you store the value, that is land or in a goods or foreign currency, then gold, etc. The standard store value Then second point of the secondary. Number 3, transfer value. If the property you have, that is a house or land, do you change to the property change to one person to another, that is called a transfer value. Then the standard of value, money help in future payments. Money helps in future payments too. Then second, store value, that is a purchasing power. And transfer value, money marks the exchange of the goods to distant places as well as abroad. Then the transfer value, money makes the exchange of the goods to distant places as well as in abroad. Suppose your relative in Australia, you change the goods to in abroad, that is called a transfer value. Now next, that is save money. Number 1, how to save money. Nowadays the money is very important, isn't it? So my dear children, you also save the money in piggy bank. Number 1, the save of the money, students saving account. Number 2, saving deposits. Number 3, current account. Number 4, fixed deposits. These are called save money. And what is the benefit for save the money? Number 1, financial independent. Then second point, in future, if any circumstances that in a future level, the financial level, the help, that is benefit for second. Third one, save today for better tomorrow. And what are the investment types? Number 1, stock, bond and insurance. And fourth one, deposit account. Now the last, what is meant by the black money? The money is which is not paid the government. The black money is an illegal activity controlled by the country regulation. It is called black money. You know that is example 1, that is smugglers and criminals. Our government gives some act for avoid the black money. Number 1, Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. And number 2, the Real Estate Development Act of 2016. Okay children, now value of money, what is barter system, what is debit card, electronic money, and what is a black money, what are the uses. Then okay, I will send through the worksheet for you. You do at homework, and what is a doubt, do you ask, do you call with my phone number. Okay, thank you my dear children.